I'm in
All
the
right.
video.
Hi guys.
Hi guys.
So right now we're right here on the road. Yeah.
Yeah,
And we will try to change oil our motor.
that's right. And I want this. And maybe later I can show you how my McQueen car works.
Mm-hmm.
You will see how fast it goes.
Okay.
And it's a bit too fast.
Okay, so what do we need? We need a new oil filter.
Sweet.
Yeah, and we also need oil there.
Sweet.
Motor oil.
And cotton
And
buds.
a number 8 wrench.
What we need cotton buds?
And an adjustable wrench.
What do you need?
No, that's for the cleaning a while ago. And also we need a catch pan.
What's that for?
This is where we will put the oil, the used oil. Okay, so let's go on and remove the Alright, so there you go. Oil is draining already.
One hour later.
You have here now our new oil filter. So, just place it there. And put it here.
A few moments later.
Okay, stop mo muna.
A few moments later.
And of course, drain plug.
A few moments later.
Okay, next up, the oil.
A few moments later.
Guys, shoutout po sa Yamaha Loop.
Alright, there you go. All 1 liter of oil. And dipstick. Put it back. Alright. And just have to stick it in. Got the ignition off. And of course,
Yeah.
now we turn on the ignition.
A few moments later.
Ayan guys, no? So tapos na tayong mag-change oil and then ayan, so nakakapagtataka lang. Ayan, buti na lang naisipan kong mag-change oil. And so supposedly hindi dapat ganoon kakonti yung hindi dapat ganoon kakonti yung oil na natanggal sana natin ang konti niya. Tapos tingnan niyo naman yung nilagay natin is 1 liter na oil, and then yung tinanggal natin ang konti, buti na lang pala. Anyways, sa mga kasama ko dyan guys, sa mga expert sa motor, and pa-comment naman dyan ano kayang nangyari, no? Ano kayang reason kung bakit biglang ganun lang yung natanggal natin na oil. Ayan, comment na lang guys sa baba. Ayan, oh, actually ganyan lang siya, oh. Ayan, yan lang yung na-extract natin na tanggal natin na oil. And so hanggang dito na lang guys. So thank you very much, and please like and comment down below, and also please do subscribe pag di pa kayo nakapag-subscribe. And so thank you guys.